morning, students. In the last lecture, I have explained function, okay, and on the basis of existence, what types of function? Many types of functions I have explained in the last video. That is, what is polynomial function, constant function, real value function. Because all functions are real value function. Trigonometrical, when it is exponential, also it is even function or odd function. There are many types. That is on the basis of existence. Today I will explain you function on the basis of properties. So I have written here function on the basis of property. That on the basis of property I mean that what is the relation between domain and range and codomain, okay, and how many elements of domain are related to which elements of codomain. This is said to be property. Okay, so now see here. Let f is a function from a to b. The rule fx equal to x square taken. Again I shall repeat. Maybe f of x is equal to x only. F of x equal to 1 by x also. Fx is equal to 10x log x, logarithmic, trigonometric. I have taken algebraic function. That is polynomial function I have taken. Okay. Now, first type function is 1-1 function. 1-1 functions are also said to be injective. Okay, injective. Next is many-one function. Actually, the function which are not 1-1 are said to be many-one function. Okay, the not 1-1 means the function which does not satisfy the condition of 1-1. Onto function, that is also said to be surjective. And next is into function. The function which is not 1-1 is not into is onto function. Now see, 4 cases, 4 types I have written. For examples also I have taken mapping. Function and mapping are the same thing. Geometrical meaning of function is said to be, geometrical concept of function is said to be mapping. So I have taken set A and B. F is a function from A to B. Obviously A is the domain and B is the codomain. Every element of set A is related to unique element of B, because that is the basic definition of function. Any types of function it is, but that should satisfy every element of A. It has a unique image in B. Image of 1, image of 2, image of 3, image of 4, image of 5. Under this rule, every element of set A should have unique image. As in this diagram I have shown, image of 1, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25. This means different element of A has different image in B. That is also you can use the term, it is 1-1 correspondence. That is different element of A has different image in B. In the second also, here second case also, different 1, 2, 3, 4 have 1, 4, 9 and 16 as a image. Different element of A has different image in B. So first and second both are 1-1 function. That is also you can say injective. But the third one, 1 and minus 1. This see, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 9, but image of 1 and minus 1 are same. Two objects may have one image, but one object cannot have more than one image. One object having more than one image, that is one-many relation, and that is not a function. As we know, one first person cannot have more than one type, different types of photograph. That uniform can change, but the image is unique. But sometimes two different persons, like 1 and minus 1 have the same image. Two different persons can have the same image. Like sometimes twins, identical, may have the same types of image, same image. If you are watching the image in the mirror, you say fine, both the twins in the same uniform will have the same image. So therefore 1 and minus 1 you can treat as twins having the same image. It is a function. So 2 has image 4, 3 has image 9, but 1 and minus 1 doesn't have the same image. So it is a function but does not satisfy the condition of 1-1. So this is not a 1-1 function. Similarly, the last one also, due to 1 and minus 1 having same image, it is also not 1-1 function. The function which does not satisfy the condition of 1-1 are not 1-1 the function satisfy 1 1 not satisfying the condition of 1 1 are said to be many one function. So last two are not 1 1, that's why these two functions are said to be many one function, and first two are said to be 1 1 function. Okay, so 1 1 function or injective, different element of A has a different image, different element of A here also different image, 1 1 it is also 1 1 here, not 1 1, due to this is breaking the rule of 1 1, so not 1 1, calling as many one. Actually many one words looks like, the meaning of many one looks like that many 5 10 20 object has one image, but no, see here image of 2 is only one, image of 3 is only one, but due to this two object related to one, it has broken the rule of 1 1, that's why this is many one, and here also many one. Okay, clear? Now in this case, this is the range. F is a function from A to B. Say range is the set of image. So 1 4 9 16 25 are the image of 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the range. Here this is the range. Here whole codomain and range are same, and the last case range and codomain. Range is a proper subset of codomain. Okay, now first is this is now onto function. What is onto function? Onto or into, the function which are not onto or into. What is the difference between onto and into? It is related with codomain and range. How? See, this case, the first and the third, range and codomain are same. Range contain 1 4 9 16 and 25, and codomain also 1 4 9 16 and 25. Range and codomain overlap each other, that is onto. In English the meaning on, and into is something into the bucket, into the something. On means on the table, on the surface. Similarly range and codomain overlap each other, this is onto function. This is third also 1 4 9, range contain 1 4 9 and codomain also 1 4 9. Range and codomain overlap each other, this is also onto function. But here range is inside the codomain. Range छोटा है 1 4 9 and 16 only, and codomain is the bigger set 1 4 9 16 25 36. So every element of range are in codomain. Codomain having some extra also, that is into. This is into, and here it is also into function. Clear? So the first figure, different element, different image, and range and codomain are same. This is you can use here. This is 1 1. The first is 1 1 onto function. This is 1 1 onto function. Different element, different image, and range and codomain overlap each other. That means range is equal to codomain. So therefore it is onto function. See this one, second one. Different element has different image, so it is 1 1, and the range is a proper subset of codomain. Proper subset you are knowing. So therefore it is 1 1 into function. This is 1 1 into function. First, second both are 1 1, but it is onto, it is into. Third one, this is due to these two different objects have same image, so it is many one function. So it is many one function, and range and codomain are same. That's why it is onto, many one onto function. This is okay. Onto why? Because range and codomain are same. Range में क्या क्या है 149, and codomain also contain 149. Both are equal. Range is equal to codomain. This is many one, and this is into. Different, these two objects have same image. It has broken the rule of 1 1, so it is many one, and here is extra, means range is a smaller set. Range contain 149, codomain is the bigger set. So range is a proper subset of codomain. That's why only I have written only one extra, maybe many extra. So therefore this is also not onto, into function, many one into. So for this is 1 1 onto, this is 1 1 into, this is many one onto, this is many one into function. Clear? Onto 1 1 function has another name injective, and onto function another name surjective. The function which is injective and surjective both, the function which is injective and surjective both are said to be bijective function. Bijective function. The bijection, two, injection and surjection both, the function which is injective and surjective both are said to be bijective function. So out of these four, only the first one, it is one, this one cannot be bijective, this one not cannot be bijective because ये into है, one one नहीं है. This is on to, but this is not one one. This is one one, but not on to. But this is one one and on to both, injective and surjective both. That's why this first function is said to be bijective function. Bijective function has another name also, that is invertible function. Invertible function. Invertible function. What is invertible function? The function which is defined from a to b as well as b to a. The function which is defined from a to b. So the rule will change. A to b, then a is the domain, b is the codomain. B to a, then it is rule will change here. Then b the domain will be and a is the codomain. Okay. So but the rule will change. See this. Fx equal to x square. So y equal to x square from here to here. And suppose it is function defined from b to a also. In this case 25 has no image here. So b से a में आप function नहीं है. In this case one object has two image. So it is not a function from b to a. So it is not invertible. It is not invertible. And third one of this one, this second example also is say 25, 36 doesn't have any image here. जब b से a की बात करोगे, then b the domain. So domain has two element which has no image in this codomain. So from here to here function is not defined. B to a function is not defined. But first one a to b and b to a both defined. So it is invertible function. So only one on two function are invertible function. The function which is one on two are invertible, or you can say the function which is bijective are also invertible. But the rule has changed here from a to b, y equal to fx is equal to x square, and from b to a function, from b to a function is suppose gy equal to root y. इधर से इधर करोगे तो square of these numbers are these and square root of these numbers are these. Positive square root are this. So 1 का square root 1, 2 का square 4 का under root 2, under root of 9 is 3, under root of 16 is 4, under root of 25 is 5. So rule has changed, but a to b also you are getting and b to a also. That's why this function is invertible function. Now I will explain you about domain and range of a function. Okay, let's see.